The Brazilians that you can see here around you, in the middle of the city, are not here to promote football. They are here to promote justice, and they are here to promote justice and non-violent protests which are occurring at the moment in Brazil. This is a non-violent protest. People here are not in favor of violent change. They are in favor of justice, and they are in favor of helping the people in Brazil who are being treated very badly by the police when they protest for their rights. They are also protesting and demanding better education for the people of Brazil so that they themselves can defend themselves. This movement is a worldwide movement, not just happening here in Dublin, but across Europe and around the world, in support of the people who are protesting in Brazil right now. We are sorry if we are incommodate anybody here today, but the people are here peacefully and do not want anything to do with violence, particularly violence in Brazil. There are many millions of people in Brazil who cannot afford to take a ride on a bus. On buses like these, they are not public buses, they're not owned by the government, they are owned by private individuals. So there is a monopoly of the use of buses. And recently, the price of a bus was increased by €1. 30 million people in Brazil are unable to get buses to get them to work every day. 20% of the population or 25% of the population in Brazil are doing very well. But more than 70% of the population are very poor and getting poorer every day. Thank you very much for listening to us. We appreciate it.